kung may gusto kang gawing legal basis tulad ng ginawa nila doon sa resolution, pwede nilang ipilit yan. Sa akin, hindi ka panipaniwala, no? Hindi convincing yung basis na yan. So objectively, sa tingin ko walang mahanap na legal basis to turn their backs against a duty for them to perform this trial or to hold a trial. So whether they find some basis or not, I think that it will turn out to be unconvincing kasi talagang kailangan the Constitution commands a trial, no? Tsaka I think din hindi naman napakahirap na question yung sinong kongreso ba ang mag-hold ng trial kasi itong question of 19th Congress, 20th Congress is not actually something that the Constitution speaks about. Ang sinasabi lang ng konstitusyon, ang Senado ang maglilitis at magdedesisyon sa kasong ito. Iisa lang naman ang Senado. Hindi niya sinabing 19th Congress, 20th Congress na Senado, yung institusyon ng Senado ang magdedesisyon dito. At hindi naman siya nawala even after the midterm elections. No? So, hindi malaking balakid. Kung ang question nga ay, paano naman kung magpapalit ng mga huwes, no? Kasi after June 30 may bagong set of senator judges if ever napapasok, no? Unang-una, yung marami sa mga papasok sa 20th Congress ay parehong mga pangalan, parehong senator judges that are already senators at this point, no, na 19th Congress. So hindi siya masyadong malaking issue. Pangalawa, hindi naman sa atin foreign, hindi naman sa atin kaiba yung merong mga huwes in any given case, halimbawa magre-retire or mai-incapacitate na may papalit na bagong huwes at aaralin yung bagong record. That's not insurmountable. No, that can happen with the 20th Congress as well. So kung in the middle of the trial may bagong senator judges, they can take another oath and they can review the record so far if at that point hindi pa tapos yung trial. So I really don't see such a big problem with holding a trial now or in the 20th Congress.
Okay, Attorney, balikan ko lang po yung sinasabi ninyo kanina na kailangan merong magdala sa Supreme Court para maging malinaw yung mga questionable na hindi naman nakasaad doon sa, hindi klaro sa batas ngayon. Ano po yung senaryo na aasahan natin kung sakaling dalhin nga siya sa Supreme Court? Pwede bang mag-proceed yung impeachment sa Senate kung may pending case pa sa Supreme Court? For as long as wala naman silang nilalabas na TRO?
Right. So hindi natin mape-preempt yung Supreme Court, no? And also as yung duty ko as abogado is hindi ko pwedeng komentan if ever man merong pending petition in the court, but I think that because just based off of experience, no, talagang maingat ang ating Korte Suprema or mga korte in general pagdating sa impeachment kasi yung Constitution, inassign niya yung trabaho na iyan sa House of Representatives at sa Senate. So hindi basta-basta makikialam yung Supreme Court. So in that sense, hindi din natin basta-basta mai-expect na magkakaroon nga ng TRO or any injunction na i-issue yung court. So you are right that without anything like that, anything that prevents the Senate to do what it is currently doing, they can proceed as they desire.